Look at the board. This is another problem from mains January 8, 2020 from maxima and minima. Okay, f of x is a polynomial of degree 3. This is also a problem related to polynomials with maxima minima. F dash of minus 1, f double dash of 1, f of 1, f of minus 1, everything is given, and we need to find whenever this f of x has local minima. Okay. So now since f of x is a polynomial of degree 3, so since it is a polynomial of degree 3, we need to let f of x as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a general polynomial of degree 3. So we need to find ABCD values. Since we need to find 4 unknown values, the problem is also given 4 different unknown constants. Use everything. Since f of x is this, what do you say about f dash of x? F dash of x is equals to 3a x square plus 2bx plus c. And then what do you say about f double dash of x? F double dash of x is equals to 6ax plus 2b. Now f double dash of 1 is given as 0. Every one by one you need to use. F double dash of 1 is equals to 0. So replacing x with 1 is simply 6a plus 2b is equals to 0. When you divide with 2, you will get 3a plus b is equals to 0. That's a relation between a, b. And the next thing is f dash of minus 1 is 0. And since f dash of minus 1 is 0, you just replace x with minus 1 in f dash. Here if you replace x with minus 1, so this is 3a, minus 2b plus c is equals to 0. This is the other relation between a, b, c. Okay. Now, use the remaining. F of minus 1 is 10. Since f of minus 1 is 10, replace x with minus 1 in this given f of x. Consider f of x. So, replacing x with minus 1. So, minus a plus b minus c plus d is equals to 10. In the same way, we have f of 1 as 16. Now, we need to replace x with 1. If you replace x with 1, easily you will get sum of all coefficients. So, a plus b plus c plus d is equals to 16. So, see, we need to manipulate these 4 equations in terms of ABC to get the values of ABC. Okay, these 4. So, one thing is you just add these two. If you add these two, minus a plus a gets cancelled, minus c plus c gets cancelled, you are left with 2b plus 2d, and that is equals to 26. So, b plus d is equals to 13. B plus d is equals to 13. Here we have 3a plus b. From here we have 3a minus 2b plus c, and that is b plus d. You just try to convert everything in terms of b to get the value of b. Okay. See, use this a plus b plus c plus d as 16. Since a plus b plus c plus d as 16, you just try to calculate all other values. See, what is a in terms of b? Minus b by 3. B is just b. What is c in terms of b? Now 3a is minus b. Minus b minus 2b means minus 3b plus c is equals to 0. So c is 3b. And what is d? D is 13 minus b is equals to 16. Okay. Now the work is very simple. This b and b will get cancelled. You just send 13 that side. And then 3b minus b by 3. 3 3s is 9 minus 1 8. 8b by 3 is equals to 3 and b is equals to 9 by 8. Since the value of b is 9 by 8, from there easily you will calculate all other values. Since b is equals to 9 by 8, what you say about a? A. B is 9 by 8, right? Yeah. A is minus b by 3. So we need to divide with 3. So we will get minus 3 by 8 as a. Then what you say about c? C is equals to directly 3b. So we need to multiply this with 3. So you will get c is equals to 27 by 8. And what is d? D is 13 minus b. And b is 9 by 8. So 13 minus 9 by 8. This is d. So use these ABCD values to write the function, to write the polynomial f of x. From there, see, local minimum of f of x existed. Local minima existed where this f dash of x is equals to 0. So if it is equals to 0, we need to find the value of x. Okay. So from those critical points, again we need to identify the minimum value. Okay. You just write the function, you just write f dash of x and everything. Have a look. Now for local maxima and local minima, we need to write f dash of x is equals to 0 with all these values. If you observe this f dash of x and this is f dash of x which is equals to 0. Now you just see, remove this 8 since we have every term and remove 9 also. By removing 9 by 8 from each and every term, we have minus x square plus 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. If you factorize this, you will get the values of x as minus 1 comma 3. Okay, so minus 1 is one critical point, 3 is the other critical point. These 2 points are maxima minima points. We need to find out at what point we have local minima. So at one point we have minima, at one point we have maxima. Okay, so to decide maxima or minima, you just go with second derivative. What you say about f double dash of x now? F double dash of x is 6ax plus 2b. Okay, you just come out to 2 of 3ax. What is a? Minus 3 by 8, otherwise write directly 6 into minus 3 by 8 into x plus 2 into 9 by 8. This is f double dash of x, right? So this is equals to, you just write 3 3s is 9, okay, 6 3s is 18, okay. You just write 18 by 8 outside, you left with what? 1 minus x here. Okay, see, we need to check at what point this f double dash of x is greater than 0 to get what? To decide maxima or minima. F double dash of minus 1. If you replace x with minus 1, this is greater than 0. F double dash of 3. At 3, the second derivative is less than 0. At these maxima minima points, at these critical points, we are observing f double dash. If it is greater than 0, it leads to local maxima. If it is less than 0, it leads to local minima. So the given problem has local minima at x is equals to 3. And that's your answer at the end. Have a look. This is a question from mains January 8, 2020. There are some other ways also to solve this problem. But among all those, this is one of the direct way and that too simple way. If you are, see, if you are comfortable with this type of problems, if you are aware of doing in this way, then the problem, automatically you will solve this problem in time at the examination. Okay, have a look. So at the end, these are the questions from 2020 main sessions from maximum, minimum and rate measure. And in the next class, I will deal the questions from 2021. Thank you.